Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your app of Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your app of Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you will enter here and you click. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment, you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.